CanArt is a leading provider of aluminum extruded products with an unmatched reputation for being able to produce the most technically challenging and complex shapes in the industry. CanArt is one of the largest aluminum extruders in North America and the industry's premier independent platform. Aluminum is a high-strength, versatile metal and is 2.5 times lighter than steel. It's 100% recyclable and resistant to corrosion. Given these advantages, aluminum is increasingly popular in a wide range of industrial applications. CanArt supplies aluminum extruded products for mission-critical applications in diverse end markets, such as building and construction, automotive lightweighting, electrification, utility and service vehicles, RVs, and industrial distribution. The company is uniquely positioned to serve the accelerated adoption of aluminum in the transportation industry. CanArt operates 4 state-of-the-art production facilities, providing industry-leading extrusions, value-added fabrication, and anodizing to meet diverse customer requirements. The company has 10 aluminum presses with a combined 80+ million kilograms of capacity that support over 5,000 unique aluminum extrusion dies or shapes. CanArt is focused on applications that require significant engineering and manufacturing IP, substantial technical exchanges with customers, and collaborative product co-development. The company leverages proprietary in-house die modification capabilities and deep process expertise to produce complex parts at scale. The company's presses are flexible and can support production for highly customized shapes and stringent quality requirements, as well as standard products. Profiles are individual extrusions utilized in the expansive and fragmented industrial distribution market, with stable, diverse demand drivers and standard production requirements. CanArt provides spot capacity to this segment to fully utilize its production assets and drive consistent growth. Projects are individual extrusions brought together for a common purpose. CanArt is relied upon by blue-chip customers in building and construction and the utility service vehicle market, who require technical collaboration, multiple dies, and value-added services over highly recurring long-term relationships. Programs are very complex recurring projects. Programs have significant engineering content and technical differentiation for mission-critical automotive and electrification applications with high costs of failure. They are contracted over the long term on a sole source basis.